Okay, I think it's important to note that I am not in high fashion today. I am wearing a white t-shirt, plain old white t-shirt. I am wearing no makeup. I am wearing ugly headband. I've got my head up and tucked, my pony tucked in there a little bit. Okay, I am wearing, let's see, these pants are late 90s low-rise model, and as well as I do rock, check out that butt. God damn. That's right. Ooh, ooh. As good as I rock them, honey. I know they ain't right. The high-waisted model does me a much better justice on my figure. We're painting. I'm going to get paint like on me. And I don't want it in my hair. And I'm going to get it on my clothes. And I don't want to stop and be like, oh my God. So I have butched up, okay? This is butch mode. You know? Learn to live with it. You know? It's kind of, it's sexy, right? Maybe my female viewers out there are like, yeah, butch it up, girl. You know, I don't know. If you're against it, then don't watch the video. Okay, the tool for this next job should be one of those garden sprayer things that you use that you get from the hardware store that I don't have. But I'm substituting a Mountain Dew bottle with a hole squirted in the top of it, or a hole cut in the top of it with a kitchen knife. We're just going to see if we can wash this down a little bit. Don't cross the streams. This is girl fantasy. Now that it's wet, I'm just gonna use this spray pump and some dish detergent. I'm just gonna spray that until my hand bleeds. The smell, it's delicious. Something along the lines of horse manure, rotting corpse, mushrooms, rotten mushrooms, decaying wilderness, emphasis on the decay. I really need a boyfriend. Can you help me in the basement? It's so much work. Got a couple of brushes and a bucket of hot water. Yeah. Right. I don't know about you, but I don't have the upper body strength to do that for long. Yuck. But boy, it looks, look at the improvement. If only we could do that for that whole wall. Hardly need to paint. Let's try another spot. Here, I'll bring you in so you can get good. Let's do this spot right here where it's really moldy. Ooh, that stinks. But so anyways, the scraping is done. The scraping, the scrubbing, at least on this wall, is done. And it's a pain in the butt. That was a lot of work. Oh, I want to see some results. Like I want to see what this is going to look like. So I've got my paint. I've got me some primer, some all-purpose interior, exterior primer. Give me a couple gallon of it. I got a great big brush. Here, I'll show you the big brush. In a paint pot. Wait, a big brush in a paint pot. And I've got a giant raw wall that is old paint and some unprepped concrete. My other camera, the battery died, so you're going to have to deal with the zoom, the angle, the wide on this lens is not so good for this small room. But I'll try and get you back in a corner where you can see what's going on a little bit. And we'll do another one of those time-lapsey things. I could use a roller. I could use a paint roller. I have a roller. I know how to use it, right? Roly, you know? The problem is this wall is bad. It's bad. And if I don't brush the paint in, it's just gonna like peel off. So I really gotta like wrestle that paint into the wall, really brush it in. Get it absorbing into the pores. So that's if you're wondering, I could, you know, roll it on and then brush it in, but like that's just like a lot of extra steps. I'm just gonna dip and brush. And here we go. Here we go. Painting. Here we go. Here we go. Painting. Here we go. Hey, diddly-dee, a painter's life for me. I'm using a discarded literal pot as my paint pot. What I do is I dip and I fill it up enough that like I can dip out of here a bunch of times, so I don't have to keep leaning over. So I don't have to put my paint up on that thing, because I don't have. I mean, I could set it down, but it'll spill. I don't want to spill a bunch of paint. If I spill anything, it'll be half this little pot. That's cool. This way I can get it up close and just put the paint on and just like brush it in right away. And I know we're doing good because like I can feel the texture of the wall is it's really rough, but like I'm not like pulling a bunch of gravel off of the walls. The mortar's staying on the wall. That's good. Oh, it's going to be time to change arms here pretty quick. Dang. I know the paint is fresh because it smells like horse manure. Look how pretty that looks.